Poboyspecial here. Well, these are little colored front posts. Colored front posts. Yes, what they're supposed to do. They're made by Tapco. I got these, or we got these from cheaperthandirt.com is where these came from. You go into the front sight here. There's a little post here where the front sight is. It's black. They all come in black. They're black metal. So if you've got a black rear sight and a black front sight, and what you're aiming at is black, it's really hard to see the front sight here with the back sight. So to remedy that, if you had a high visibility color front post sight, it's easier sight acquisition and post so you can see it very well. Now, how does this work? How in the world are you going to get this onto here? That's what this is for. This is your sight removal and installation tool, also from cheaperthandirt.com. I forgot to say, these were about $5 or $6 for that whole pack, and this was about $12 to $13. So, in order to do it, you have to have a tool like this to take this one out and to put these in. You just choose your color that you want, install it, you're done. This also does two things. This will adjust for elevation and windage. Multi-double tool. This is the one we recommend, the metal one, the high grade, military grade metal one. They make this little key one, but everybody had problems with it breaking off and not being very sturdy and reliable. Everybody's given really good reviews on the metal military version, so that's the one we got. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to install a different colored front sight post using this tool and one of these colors that we choose. We'll show you, we'll surprise you later on.
Awesome.
Alright, we've already taken one out of this package. We took one of the pink ones and put it on the chromed one, so it's already done and installed, but we're going to show you how to install on this black one here, and we're going to get Storm to choose the one she wants to go on her daddy's little Draco, and Storm chose the yellow, the high visibility yellow.
Alright.
Alright, so we're going to show you how to install that yellow one there. Here's the tool that we ordered to do that. You just unscrew it. Alright, take the end that has the notches. I don't know if you can see the little notches right here.
Yes, we can.
And what that's going to do is, this is going to be the top of your sight, and that's going to fit in there just like that. So you can start turning it. So that's how we're going to put it in. So obviously if that's how that one goes in, then that is exactly how this one comes out. So let's take this out first, get the magazine out of the way.
And folks, we've done some other videos today. All these guns have been safety checked like 3 times or more. So there's no bullets around these guns right now. So we are definitely running safe.
Alright, and that was just a little bit difficult to turn. But once you start getting it, it comes out really easier and easier and easier until you finally get it to where it just comes right on out. Now, I do realize that the ones that we are taking out are the factory metal pins or factory metal front sights, and the ones that we are putting in to replace it are plastic. So keep that in mind. So if you have an environment that's really, 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 really hot, or maybe really, 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 really cold.
Or salty, maybe? I don't know. Do you think salt water would have any effect on these?
No. There's the removal of the front sight. There's what it looks like. I'll set that down if you want to get a close-up of it. There it is right there. Alright, now we're going to take the high visibility yellow one. And what I'm going to try and do is I'm going to try and thread it here.
Hold that for him.
Let me try and put this in here. Alright. We're going to try and thread it and see if it goes in straight, and see if it catches a thread maybe. And this is good. Wow, it helps if you could hold the tool right.
That's all right, folks. This is live TV.
That will not be edited. That's going to be on our bloopers. All right, let me try it. Woo, that's going to be on our bloopers. Well, that might be actually helpful.
Is that helpful?
To the side like that.
Oh, wow. Okay, let me make sure I get this on film here.
All right, let's...
Normally we use a tripod to film stuff because we like to keep it nice and still, but on this one, because we were going to have a little bit of motion going around, I needed to hold on to it, so I'm able to follow the action a little bit closer.
Trying to get the... Alright, let's just start over here. There it is. Alright, let's start over. Alright, we finally got a thread in, and I don't know if we can see that right there or not. Let me see that flashlight that we got over there and see if we can... I don't know if we can see that like that or not. I'll turn it in there and we got the thread in. Alright, so we're going to finish this. Take that end right there that's got the notch, and you just gently, this is plastic, so you want to be very gentle with it. Don't force anything, don't torque it really hard, and just keep on twisting and twisting and twisting until you get it down to about the level that you think. Now, if we were smart, and if we had thought about this before, we would have marked on the metal here, or taped a fishing line at the level that the previous sight was, so that we could sight it up that way. Alright, we're done putting our front post sight in, and here's the original metal one right here. And what we have lying next to it is our laser bore sighter. Very important. And what we did off camera is we took this laser bore sighter, stuck it in here, and kind of adjusted the height of our post. And all you do, very simple, you just open the action,
Let it go really slow and it'll hold, it'll catch.
Put the laser bore sighter in here just like you would a regular bullet was going in, and make sure you do this very slowly and gently so you don't ruin the laser bore sighter that you just got. And you can see it pointing down, and we just check the sight at a distance and make sure that they were on the same even keel.
Absolutely. And what we did was we made sure that there, on the back sight of every AK-47, there's an elevation meter. I think it goes from like 0 to 500 meters or something is what it's got marked. And 500 meters is really ambitious for a Draco pistol. But we made sure that we moved it all the way back to the 0 mark. That way that it's zeroed with the front post at what was it, like 20 meters or something is what we were looking at. And then to remove the laser, you just pull it out and it'll fly out, or you can just get it like that and it'll come out of the bottom of the action. And that's it.
There you go. So that's one accessory down and a bazillion to go.
A bazillion to go.
So
that's
stay
right.
tuned.